When it comes to increasing your home's value, there are several renovations that can make a significant difference. Among the most impactful and cost-effective upgrades are installing new doors and windows. These elements not only enhance your home's curb appeal but can also provide long-term savings, comfort, and security. If you're looking to sell your Silver Spring home or simply wish to improve its value, here's how investing in new doors and windows can pay off. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your front door and windows play a pivotal role in your home's exterior appeal. In Silver Spring, where many homes are situated in charming neighborhoods with unique architectural styles, replacing outdated or worn-out doors and windows can instantly modernize your home. Whether you opt for a bold, contemporary door design or energy-efficient windows that let in natural light, these updates will make your home stand out and attract potential buyers. A welcoming entrance or sleek, stylish windows can instantly elevate the overall look and feel of your property. Increased energy efficiency. New doors and windows are designed to be more energy efficient, which is a huge selling point for homebuyers looking to lower their utility costs. In Silver Spring, where winters can get chilly and summers are often hot and humid, energy-efficient windows and doors can keep your home more comfortable throughout the year. By reducing heat loss in winter and keeping cool air in during summer, you can save on heating and cooling costs. Many modern windows come with low E glass, which reduces UV rays from the sun, protecting your furniture from fading while keeping indoor temperatures stable. Additionally, high-quality doors with proper insulation can prevent drafts and minimize the need for constant temperature adjustments, making your home more eco-friendly and cost-effective. Increased home security. Another benefit of upgrading your doors and windows is enhanced security. Newer models come with advanced locking systems and reinforced glass options that provide added protection against break-ins. For many buyers, the safety of their family is a top priority, and knowing that the home has modern, secure doors and windows can give them peace of mind. If your Silver Spring home is located in a neighborhood with frequent foot traffic or close proximity to busy streets, this added security can be a major selling point. Improved noise insulation. Living in Silver Spring means you might experience occasional noise from nearby roads or busy areas. New windows and doors offer better noise insulation than older models, ensuring a quieter living space. High-quality double or triple pane windows can help block out unwanted sounds, creating a serene atmosphere inside your home. If you're in a busy part of Silver Spring, this can be especially appealing to potential buyers who prefer a peaceful home environment. Return on investment. The return on investment, ROI, for replacing doors and windows is one of the highest among home improvement projects. According to industry reports, homeowners can expect to recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of these upgrades when selling the home. For Silver Spring homeowners, this means that spending on new doors and windows can offer a substantial return while adding valuable features that enhance your home's appeal. Conclusion. Replacing your doors and windows is a smart investment that can significantly increase your home's value. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to upgrade your Silver Spring property, these improvements boost curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and noise insulation. With a strong ROI and lasting benefits, new doors and windows are a win-win upgrade for any homeowner.